Make your own cryptocurrency for free. Hey guys! Considering this is the right time to invest in cryptos, nowadays there is a big trend to invest in cryptos. So, are you there? Have you started your crypto journey? Still not? Hey, don't delay. Just stand up and make your own cryptocurrency completely free right now. Welcome to CryptoTrends, where in today's video, you will get to know about how to make your own cryptocurrency for free and how it's going to change your crypto experience. So make sure to watch the video till the end and don't forget to like and share the video. The very first question that comes to mind is each coin its own blockchain? No, not always. The majority of the tokens are run on the Ethereum blockchain. According to Nomics, the Ethereum network contains over 12,500 tokens. However, only a little more than 4,160 of these have at least some trading volume. Binance Smart Chain comes in second with over 8,700 tokens. The developer's choice of blockchain is entirely subjective. Networks differ in terms of commission costs as well as community size. It is critical to understand that a token created on one network will not function on another. The only way to transfer a token is to use what are known as bridges. What is required to create your own cryptocurrency? The first and most important thing is your precious time, a maximum of 1 hour, Coinbase wallet, Trust Wallet browser extension, or in our case MetaMask, and the wallet's balance. And as we want to create a token for the test for free, just skip this item. How do I make my own cryptocurrency or token? Of course, you should understand the fundamental dynamics of the token you want to create. Also, understand what that section of code is in charge of. But suppose you don't want to learn the fundamentals and your hands are itching to create something as soon as possible at the lowest possible cost. Since the blockchain market is still in its early stages, enthusiasts have launched a slew of platforms for creating tokens. This means that there are several sites ready to handle all of the technical aspects for you without requiring you to register. A few sites like vitominakori.github.io, createmytoken.com, garda.co, or cointool.app. On the surface, all the systems described above are similar in some way. There is a field for the token's name, the ticker, the volume of coins, and anything else in this vein. We use the cointool.app service in our example, but you can use any of the others. Before you begin creating a token, you must first sync your wallet with the site. It is assumed that you already have it installed in your browser. The wallet will be required for the site to independently create a smart contract through which tokens will be issued. If you create a real token, you will be compensated for this service. If you simply want to test for free, we can discuss this further. To connect to cointool.app, click the Connect Wallet button in the upper right corner. Your wallet window will be removed. We accept the conditions and connect. The next step is to select a network for the token. The cost of creating cryptocurrency and selecting a network token. The blockchain network or scaling protocol selection is in the blue section of the cointool.app form. You already know the distinction between them thanks to the section Is each token an independent blockchain? If you missed it, we recommend that you go see it again. At the time of this video, creating a real token with cointool.app will set you back quite a bit, specifically 0.1 ETH or $400. What is the distinction between a genuine token and a test token? After creating a real token, you can trade it on the trading floors. It is unlikely that a listing can be generated using a test one. The procedure for creating a real token and a test token is the same. Even in a test token, you must pay a fee. In this case, we will look at a test case for creating an ERC20 token called Ropsten on the Ethereum testnet. Make your own cryptocurrencies, link the wallet to the network. The MetaMask connects to the mainnet by default and displays a corresponding balance. We must connect to the Ropsten testnet. You can also select from the following chains: Kovan, Rinkeby, and Goerli. To connect to the test network, open MetaMask, then click the Ethereum mainnet button from the top menu. Now head on to Ropsten test network from the drop-down list. If you had cryptocurrency on MetaMask, it has now been reset. It's all right. Your wallet has simply switched networks. You can restore the balance by returning to the old network using the method described above. When connected to Ropsten, the cointool.app site should reload and show the selected Ropsten network in the top right corner. If this did not occur, ensure that your wallet is linked to the site. So now that we are connected to the testnet, when do we start creating the token itself? Soon. The final point is that you can still get free tokens. You can accomplish this by tapping tokens. For testing purposes, there are some services that provide free tokens. Faucet.ropsten.be, Faucet.metamask.io, or Faucet.igorfine.com. You can select any. Once you're on the website, enter your public address. You can obtain it by launching MetaMask and selecting the Account 1 column. You will have to wait once you have sent a request for free tokens. Test ETH will arrive in your wallet in 5 to 10 minutes. Attention! In any case, the sites do not show a successful ETH send. If you repeatedly send applications for ETH, your wallet will be blacklisted for 24 hours. Simply submit your request and then wait. The wallet will automatically update the balance within 5 to 10 minutes. Configure the cryptocurrency token settings. We will begin the creation of the token once you have received the test ETH. You get some fields available on cointool.app's form. The first one is the token name, for example Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin. Then token ticker, for example BTC, ETH, or DOGE. Initial supply, the initial maximum number of tokens issued. Decimals are a calculation system that determines how small your token can be split. BTC, for example, is divided into 8 decimal places, while ETH is divided into 18. Burn, the act of burning tokens. The mint, the ability to produce more tokens. The amount will be added to the initial supply. Pause, the ability to halt all token operations, useful if a critical vulnerability is discovered. Deflation, a fee is charged for each transaction involving a token, which is then burned. Super deflation is a sped-up version of the deflation function. It is not required to fill out all the fields. In our case, the test token was called Paprika Coin, and the ticker was PPK. The remaining options were left with their default settings. We pay for the development of a smart contract. After you've made all the necessary changes, scroll down and click the Create Token button. A window will appear with a wallet and a request for ETH to be sent in order to create a contract with your token. It took 0.01 ETH in our case. Select Confirm. Following that, ETH will be deducted from the test balance, but no new tokens will appear. This is acceptable. Most likely, your wallet does not yet support a smart contract with new tokens. Discover the smart contract's specifics. To display, we must first determine the address of the smart contract that generated the tokens. To do so, navigate to the Activity tab and look for a transaction called Deployment of the Contract, for which they previously paid 0.1 ETH. Click on the transaction, then in the Details section, click View on the Block Explorer. You will be directed to the etherscan.io website as seen above. All of the specifics for creating a smart contract for your token are covered here. We find the line 2, where it says contract, and the contract's address. We will duplicate this address. Open MetaMask's main page, and at the bottom, click Import Tokens. In the field, Address of the Token Contract, paste the copied address. The data from the manufactured smart contract, including the token ticker and calculation system, should be automatically picked up by the wallet. Add Custom Token should be selected. The generated tokens are now visible in your wallet. How about creating your own cryptocurrency? Easy, huh? And that's it. The appearance of the token, logo, description, and links to social pages can also be customized in the cointool.app. First create a token, then move to the Create Token View section. The test token can then be sent to other Ropsten network wallets, which must also import the smart contract settings. A real token can be created based on an identical scenario. However, real ETH is required, not test ETH. So I think we're at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video and it may be helpful in your crypto investment journey. And if you liked the video, let me know in the comments section below and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.